The Mount Orab mega site is more than 1,000 acres of prime land that the village has been working to develop for years. But only recently, residents found out that a data center was in the works for the property, and their mayor and city council didn't say a word about it. Attorney Nick Owens is raising legal questions about some of the ways the data center deal has been handled by the Mount Orab mayor and village council. While Owens is not a Mount Orab resident or directly involved in the controversy, he does have expertise in this area. He works as solicitor for another village in the county. One issue he has is how the zoning code was changed to allow data centers during a December of 2024 council meeting.
They passed a complete overhaul of the zoning code by emergencies with no written justification. And then they also passed the CRA resolution that created all the tax abatements.
Owens says Ohio law requires the council to justify the reason for passing the ordinances as an emergency. He says it can't simply call something an emergency. Another issue he has is the non-disclosure agreements council members and the mayor signed.
It's frankly disgusting. No government should be ran that way. No government official should be signing an NDA to keep the citizens away from the public's business. It should never happen.
Owens says due to those NDAs, the public was kept in the dark about what was really being planned for the mega site. He says the only reason anyone found out is because of public records requests for the documents.
Nobody would know that it's been confirmed a data center. No one would know that there's a tax abatements layered on the property. So for weeks, if not months, elected officials have saying they can't say anything, they can't say anything, can't say anything.
I've tried to get in touch with Mayor Joe Hauser and each council member to ask about their signing of the non-disclosure agreements and whether the passing of the zoning changes and tax abatements was an emergency, and if so, what justified it to be an emergency at the time. Only Mayor Hauser's email is listed on the village website. He responded to me saying that he cannot comment due to pending litigation, but did not elaborate. No one else has any contact information listed. Now, I tried calling publicly listed numbers for names matching the council members, but I'm not sure if they're the correct numbers. Now, Shane Ogden, Carl Vineyard, as well as John Waits all called me back. Ogden said he couldn't comment due to the pending lawsuit. Waits declined an interview, and Vineyard said, well, he wasn't versed in the issue because he was only recently appointed to council. As for the residents and their fight to stop the data center, Owen says it may take a lawsuit to challenge the council's action.